Okay, success. The valve cover gasket is off. The valve cover is off. As you can see, I had a little bit of trouble getting it off. Smashed it into 50 pieces, but it's off. And so I had to take off the fuel injector rail. Had to take off all of this stuff that goes to the the coil supply. Had to tear apart the ECU compartment. Had to take off the whatever the hell that thing is, and disconnect the O2 sensors. Now the O2 sensor, you see that hole down there? That's where the first O2 goes. And then we're looking at the second O2 back here, which I'm about to rip out. Because while you're here, you pretty much have to replace the O2 sensors because they're going to go bad at some point. And if you think I'm doing this job over again to get the O2 sensor out, you got another thing coming. So, looks easy, but this is about a week of work, maybe hour or two per day, with just endless challenges. Also managed to get that incredibly troublesome hose off back there. That was a beast. I had to buy a special tool for that one. Okay, so now I think I'm... Oh, one more thing. I have to replace the this doohickey, which is the variable valve timing solenoid. These do go bad, and once again, getting to it is just a beast. So that's a $300 part that I'm going to replace while I'm in here. Also, you can see that we have easy access to the spark plugs now, so I'm going to do the spark plugs forthwith. Okay, there is your update for the moment.